In this video clip, we want to use a calculator to evaluate this expression. And we want to round our answer to 3 decimal places. First, again, we want to understand what is the meaning for this log. Let me choose pen. Log 9/5. Again, here without base means base is 10. Then to the 9/5, please use the parentheses. Okay. On your calculator, you should input is find.log first. That means the base is 10. Okay. When you click on log, you should have this one appears right away, left parentheses, and then 9 divided by 5, close bracket, and then enter. Okay, you'll get the answer. Here, I have my calculator right here. So you want to locate a log. Where is log? This is the key. When you click log, again, left parenthesis shows up. Then you click 9 divided by 5, close bracket, hit the enter. Okay, then this will be the answer, 0.255. This fourth 2 should be, 2 is less than 5, so you round it down. The answer should be 0.255. That will be the one right here. Okay, so that's the question 1. Let's see the second one. The second one here is also use the using the calculator. Okay, again, that was question 11. Here comes to be question 12. You want to understand log 2 plus log 2 over log 2 minus natural log 9. On your calculator, you should do is use the parentheses. Okay. That will be what? Log 2 plus log 2, close bracket, divided by the beginning bracket, and then natural log 2 minus the natural log 9. That's the grammar. Okay, now you want to hit the enter. Okay. Okay. What was the answer for this one? This one was 0.255. And what do we get from here? Let's get our calculator out. You will use the bracket, and then log is the one here. 2, close bracket, plus another log 2, close bracket, and bracket, divided, and then the bracket. You want to use, here is the natural log, so that's ln. 2 close bracket, and here will be subtract, and then natural log 9 bracket, you hit enter, you have the answer. So apparently this is the one. Okay, yeah, there's negative 0.400. Let me put the answer right here. This one, the answer you get will be negative 0.400. Okay, now keep going. This is the one. This one says that the long jump record in feet at a particular school can be modeled by this function, where x is the number of years since records begin to be kept at the school. What is the record for the long jump 18 years after record started being kept? Round your answer to the nearest tenth. Okay, so here x is the number of years, and here is 19 years after. So plug in 19 right here, you will be done. So what is the grammar for that? 13. You then have a calculator grammar, which is 18.3, and then plus 2.1. Between 2.1 and the natural log is multiplication. Then you have a natural log 19 years later. You plug in 19 and then plus 1. Then if you hit the enter, you should then have the answer. Okay, let's work on our calculator here. We will move the calculator here. Okay, let's do, there is 18.3 plus 2.1. You may click on multiplication, or you may not. So natural log, and then plug in 19 plus 1, or you may do just 20. Close bracket. Okay, so you have 18.3 plus 2.1 times natural log 20. You hit enter, you have the answer 24.591. 24.9 is greater than 5, you round it up, so 24.6. 24.6 is the number right here. Okay, so you then have a 24.6. Erase this part. Okay, so keep going. This one is we want find A So that the graph of f of x equals log base a to the x contains this point. We do extended page, and then we look at the question 14. We have a f of x equals log base a to the x. We want to find out a. So we are given is 1 here is 12, or here is 12. For those two places, then you have the output, which is 5. Which is 5, not 15. 5. Okay. So then you have a 5 equals not natural, log base a to the 12. Then you know what is the equivalent form. Base exponent. Logarithm is exponent. So that will be a to the what? 5th power equals 12. Then what is the a? A is 5th root of 12. Okay. Yeah. So 5th root of 12 is which one? Is the one right here. Okay. Now keep going. This one. We want to find the exact value of the logarithm expression. All right. So in this case, let's put question 15 here. Question 15 is we want exact value. That's 7. Log base 7 to the. Erase this one. 1 over 343. Now we want this value. Okay. There are a few ways to do this now. One is 343 divided by 7. What do we get? Okay. Now we see 343 divided by 7. You hit enter. You have a 49. And then, 7 times 49 will be 343. Okay. So basically, the log is 7. 343 is actually 1 over 7 cubed. That will be what? Log base 7 to the 7 to the negative power, -3. Okay. And then this, let me change the color to red. This exponent can move down to the front. So you have a -3 times log base 7 to 7. Again, base is 7, and this number is the same with 7. Then what do you have? You then have the value of this one is 1. Okay, so -3 times 1 is just -3. Huh? Let me write it better. Huh? That will be -3. So which is the answer? Right here. Okay. All right. We'll stop here. I'll see you next time.